Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the leading ETFs via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Monday, November 11th, 2013. Got a very positive day going today after the results in reaction to the non-farm payroll number. We're above the opening in all the major ETFs here. We're 1.2% above the open in the broad-based spiders, and the small caps are having a very strong day, 1.6% above the day's open. Volume's okay. It's not outstanding, but it's definitely not a down volume day either. Taking a look at some of the individual domestic sectors, definitely the big standout today is the banks, the XLF, 2% above the day's open, even after a gap up, and is showing very good volume. The regional banks, however, are the real standouts. More than 3 times typical volume, 3.6% above the open, so these are very much in play. May need a little bit of a measuring day on Monday to work off today's extreme candle, but definitely keep these on the list for the beginning of the week on the long side. Seeing a big day here in the IBB that tracks the biotechs. XLY's got a volume bump. The XLU has a volume bump and a camouflage buy signal. We've got signals in the VNQ, the IYR, and also the XHB. The TAN, very volatile on low volume, but having a very strong day after there's a lot of profit taking yesterday in most of the solar names. Moving on to the commodities, not really as much. That's not really where the action is focused today. Gold's down, oil's up, so there's some signals on both sides here. Got a camouflage sell signal in the USO, the oil that tracks the oil itself. SLV and UNG both have upside indications. TLT is getting hit very hard today. It's down about $2.50 right now on increased volume, and it's even sufficiently below where it gapped down to after the number this morning. Looking at the foreign names, EEM is got a camouflage buy signal, and RSX is better to buy. A lot of volume here, guys, in a lot of these foreign names, so they're definitely seeing this whole ECB rate cut through. As far as the specials go, surprisingly, there's no signals here. Would have thought there would have been a couple of signals, but we definitely have a couple of pretty good volume bumps. FAS, which is the leveraged version of the banking tracking ETFs, is really strong on good volume. URE also sporting a differential buy on very good volume. On the short side, the SRS is trading a ton of volume, and there's quite a few volume bumps here to take a look at. Alright folks, and as always, here's a look at the list of our leading ETFs in watch list fashion with the bar counts with them. As far as the spiders go, we're 11 days up now in the Comer countdown phase, so definitely keep an eye on that in the beginning of the week. We're getting pretty deep into the count here for the XLI and the XLP also. Possible chance here 11 days up also with the XLY. Got 13 here already in that XLI, and nothing else is really all that close, though we could get the diamonds this coming week, which is 11 days up in the aggressive countdown. So there's a couple things to keep in mind for next week. Alright guys, everybody have a great weekend. Hope to see you again next week. This has been Rich for tradesight.